Hello and welcome to our OS Lab project, the CPU Scheduling Simulator. I am Raxit Gohel and I'll be presenting the website which we have made under guidance of Dr. Sonam Nahar. We have made this website using Django and HTML. We are now at the home page. You can see the title and a brief about CPU scheduling. Now we'll scroll down. You can see the purpose of CPU scheduling algorithm, which are CPU utilization, max performance, and time minimizing. So in CPU utilization, the CPU scheduling is a process that allows one process to use CPU while execution of another process is on hold due to unavailability of any resources like IO or etc. Thereby making full use of CPU. The aim of CPU scheduling is to maximize the CPU utilization by making the system efficient, fast, and fair. Max performance means to make out best use of CPU and not to waste any CPU cycle. And in time minimizing, there are many very different types of algorithms for different tasks. By using them, we can minimize waiting time, response time, and turnaround time of the processes. Now we go to the bottom. We can see a button and click in there. We will redirect you to the page where information about all the algorithms is given. The first is FCFS. So FCFS scheduling algorithm simply schedules the jobs according to their arrival time, which means the job which comes first in ready queue will get the CPU first. That is, the lesser the arrival time of the job, the sooner will the job get the CPU. The second is SJF, shortest job first. It is an algorithm in which the process having smallest execution time is chosen for next execution. This scheduling method can be preemptive or non-preemptive. In non-preemptive scheduling, once the CPU cycle is allocated to process, the process holds it till it reaches a waiting state or terminated state. Third is SRTF, shortest remaining time first. It is the preemptive version of SJF, and in SRTF, the execution of any process can be stopped after a certain amount of time. That means on arrival of every process, the short-term scheduler schedules those processes from list of available and running processes that have the least remaining burst time. The main advantage of SRTF is that it makes processing of jobs faster than SJF. Last is round robin. It is preemptive process scheduling algorithm in which each process is provided a fixed time to execute, which is called time quantum. Once a process is executed for a given time period, it is preempted and the other process executes for some time. And context switching is used to save the states of preempted processes. So now we go back to home page. You can see about page here also. We will click on that. You can see the names and roll numbers of the team members and their contribution to this project. Now we go back to home page. We'll go to simulator. So this is the simulator, and to simulate the CPU scheduling algorithm, first you need to enter number of processes and then you need to enter process ID, arrival time, and burst time for each process. So I'll do an example. So now that we have entered all values, we'll simulate algorithms one by one. So I'll simulate FCFS. So You can see the results are displayed here. We get completion time, turnaround time, waiting time, and response time for each process. And we also get average waiting time and average turnaround time. We can also do this for SJF. SRTF also we can do it. Values are changing, you can see. And for a round robin, we'll need to enter time quantum, which I'm entering 2. So values have changed accordingly. And now if you want to delete all the process, you can click on this button. So all the process are deleted and you can enter the new process again. So this is our simulator. Thank you.